Simple. This is my hair moisturizer. Hello guys, welcome to Live Healthy with Judith. It's so good to be back after how many days of being away. Anyway, if this is your first time of stopping by on this channel, I want to say you are on the right channel. So please do not go anywhere. Just stick with us on this channel and you will be glad that you did. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are you are awesome, the real MVPs, and we cannot love you less. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair, and then the things I use. I simply use just three items to moisturize my hair. And normally if I don't use this, I just use shea butter and just go on with it. So that's simple. So the first thing that I need is a spray bottle. I got the spray bottle from one of the perfs that I had used up. So I just filled in some water into it. The next thing I'm going to add is a little conditioner, just to get it up to here. Let's say like that should be like if you're to measure it, 3 tablespoons, but I'm not using tablespoons, so I just got this conditioner. I really don't have any conditioner recommendation, but just any nice natural conditioner, you can use it. And then I'm going to be pouring it to the quantity I told you, just like this. You can see it. And that's it. So this quantity is enough for me. And the next thing I add is my lavender. I totally love adding lavender to my hair moisturizer because it just gives it a different aroma, it gives it a nice smell, and it suits my scalp because I usually have dry scalp. So adding lavender makes it I think soothing or moisturized. So that's that. So this is my lavender, and I'm going to be adding 5 drops of my lavender oil. This is it. So this is what I use. You can get any lavender products that you can find around you, and then like I said, I'm going to be adding 5 drops, and this is how it comes. So this is 1 drop, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 drops of lavender, and that's it. We are done. So the next thing I do is just to simply shake it up until they are properly mixed. So I'm going to close it tight and then just shake it off until they are totally mixed and simple. This is my hair moisturizer. And I'm sure you guys are going to love it when you try it. So please let me know if you're going to try this, and then how it was on your hair, or how it made you feel, and if you actually found it helpful. Do let me know in the comment section. And if you have not clicked that like button yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit the like button and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you are not doing well. Please hit that subscribe button and join this healthy family. So I just simply apply it to my hair just this way. So I just apply it like that. So it's simple. Just keep going until you are okay with the quantity. I don't have a particular amount I had, but when I feel that the hair is properly moisturized or wet, I am good to go. I am done. So that's it. So guys, if you have any suggestion that relates to what we do on this channel, please do not hesitate to put it in the comment section. That is why we are here. We are here to help you lead and cultivate a healthy lifestyle, and then we'll work out a video for you all. I'm totally loving this hair right now. So guys, I am done, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And with this, you can actually style your hair in various ways, and you're gonna look good. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair in 5 different ways. So if you like this video, like I said, please do not hesitate to share it with your friends and your family. Until I see you again in my next video, to stay healthy and blessed. Bye.